Good morning, students. I'm very happy to welcome you all for this wonderful session. In this session, we are going to learn Chapter 2, an introduction to Adobe PageMaker. So, in this session, I'm going to teach you what is Adobe PageMaker. With Adobe PageMaker, what are all the things we can do? That is what I'm going to teach today. So, before that, we will see a small introduction about desktop publishing. So what is desktop publishing? So desktop publishing, it is the creation of page layouts for documents using DTP software. So Adobe PageMaker is one among them. Adobe PageMaker is a DTP software. So the DTP software which is used to create page layouts. Page layouts is nothing but which is used to create books, newspapers. These are all the things as known as page layouts. So in the market today, there are several desktop publishing softwares are available. Adobe PageMaker, Adobe InDesign, Quark Express. These are all the examples of desktop publishing. So after that, what is PageMaker? PageMaker, it is a page layout software. It is used to design and produce documents that can be printed. With the help of Adobe PageMaker, we are able to design and produce the documents as a printed format, and we can create anything with the help of a page maker from a simple business card, which means with the help of a page maker we can create or we can design business card, which means visiting card, from a visiting card to a large book. So the best example of large book is our textbook, what we are using as a textbook today, that has been created with the help of Adobe PageMaker. So page layout software includes tools. This PageMaker or page layout software includes lot of tools. The tools allows you to easily position the text, which means with the help of the tools you can type the text, you can design the text, what are all the things you can do for the text, means you can add graphics for the pages, you can give colors for the text. These are the things we can do with the help of page layout software. So this page maker is very similar to newspaper, creation of the newspaper. How the newspaper having a small articles on the front page, in the same way we can create some articles, some small articles with the help of a page maker. So you can place the pictures for the text as a parallel thing on the front page. So now let me give examples or some examples for how to use Adobe PageMaker. So let me close this one. Already I have opened Adobe PageMaker. This is the window of Adobe PageMaker. I'm going to close this one. So to open the PageMaker, go here, start, and all programs, and see here Adobe PageMaker 7.0 is there, is here. Just click on Adobe PageMaker 7.0, it will be open. After opening the Adobe PageMaker 7.0, the window or opening screen of PageMaker 7.0, let us see. And this is the default templates stored in Adobe PageMaker. Just I'm going to close this one. To create a new document, you just go to file, click open, click new, or you can give control plus N. See here we can change the page size itself. If you want to do in A4, that is also possible, and these are the dimensions of A4. Just give OK. After giving OK, a darker border has been created with Adobe PageMaker. The area outside of the dark border is referred as the pasteboard, and the area of outside of the document, this is the working area, the outside area of the document is known as pasteboard. Anything that is displayed completely in the pasteboard is not visible when you print the document. If you are typing anything here with the help of text tool within pasteboard, that would not be visible, when you print. You can see the pasteboard, you can use the pasteboard to temporarily hold the elements while designing your document. While designing your document, you can use the pasteboard as a temporary holder. And next we are going to see, whenever you are going to create a new document, the name of the document will be by default Untitled 1. When you are going to close the document without saving, it will ask you whether I want to save this one or not. If you are given yes at the time of saving, you have to give name for the document. And next we are going to see components of the windows of Adobe PageMaker, and this is title bar. Title bar contains the name of the document with the product. The next one is menu bar. Menu bar contains file, edit, layout, type, elements, utilities, view, window, help. Each and every menu contains submenus like this. Next one, this is called ruler. With the help of ruler, you can resize your working area. And next one is toolbar. This is what called as toolbar. When you move the cursor to the individual icons on the toolbar, it will show the description of each and every icon. See, this is for open a document, this is for creating a new one, this is for saving the document, this is for printing the document. When you move the cursor to the individual icons on the toolbar, it will show description of the or use of the icon. And this is what known as toolbox. The toolbox contains a lot of options. This is pointer tool, and this one is text tool, and this is rotating tool. This rotating tool is used to rotate the image or rotate the text in any direction. And next one is cropping tool. Cropping tool, which is used to crop an image or crop the text or crop a text block. Line tool, which is used to create lines, and this is constrained line tool. And this is rectangle tool, which is used to draw a rectangle box. Rectangle frame tool, which is used to create a rectangular placeholders for text and graphics. Next one is ellipse tool. So this elliptical tool used to draw circle and ellipses. Next one is ellipse placeholder, ellipse frame tool. This is used to create elliptical placeholders for inserting text and graphics. Next one is polygon tool. Polygon tool is used to draw polygons. Next one is polygon frame tool. This polygon frame tool is used to create placeholders for text and graphics. Next one is hand tool, which is used to scroll the document or scroll the pages. If you are creating more than one page, with the help of hand tool you can create the pages one by one. So next one is zoom tool. Zoom tool is used to magnifying the document. Which is, what is the help of zoom tool is, with the help of zoom tool we can zoom in or zoom out the document, and it is one of the important 5 marks from this lesson. And next one is scroll bars. So scroll bars is used to moving up and down or left and right through the document. See, this is what known as scroll bars. With the help of scroll bars we can move left and right, and this is vertical scroll bar, this is known as horizontal scroll bar. The vertical scroll bar which is used to move the document up and down, the horizontal scroll bar which is used to move the document left and right. Next one is rulers. The Adobe PageMaker contains two rulers. One is vertical ruler, another one is horizontal ruler. If the ruler is not visible, you can go here, you can go to the view option, and here you can click show rulers if it is not visible only. If it is visible, no need to go to view of option, view file option. And next one is how to entering text in the document. To enter the text, first we have to select the text tool. After selecting the text tool, small I beam will be this is called as insertion point. The insertion point will be displayed on the screen, and you have to place the insertion point where you want to type the text within the document area. So here I want to text my here I want to type my text. After inserting after clicking the I-beam on the document area, small insertion point will be blinking on the document area. Suppose if you feel it is very small, you can change the font size here. So I'm going to type now. See here, Golden Gates Metric Higher Secondary School, comma KA Venkatesapuram and in Perambalur district. DISTRICT district. So this is how we can type the text within document area. And next one is editing text in the document. Editing is the process of making some or giving some extra elements to the text. That is what known as here editing. So editing means making some changes to the text. We can correcting errors. If you are correcting the errors, if you are giving colors, that is what editing. So the font size is too small, so to change the font size here, first you have to select the font, text. Afterwards you just see here, this is the font size to change. So now I need 30. Yes. And next one is selecting the text with the keyboard or mouse. With the help of keyboard, you can select the text with the help of shift and arrow keys. So like this you can select the text with keyboard, or you can press Ctrl A. This is Ctrl A is the shortcut key to select all the text or all the pages within the document. If you want to select line by line, you can use shift plus arrow keys. If you want to select the first line alone, you can use or you can press the shift key. Without releasing the shift key, you have to press the right arrow button till this. If you want to select all the lines, like this you can select. This is the method to select the text with the help of keyboard. And next one is, with the help of mouse, place the cursor at the beginning of the text. Where do you want to select, from where do you want to select, and just click left mouse button on your mouse without releasing the left mouse button. You just drag and drop. Now you can select the text. Next one is deleting the text. We can delete the text with the, we can delete the text with the help of delete key and backspace key. We can delete the text in different ways. If you want to delete the entire text of the single page, just press Ctrl A, press delete key, and next one, instead of pressing delete key, you can press backspace key also. Or suppose if you want to delete or erasing the character, erasing the text character by character, that is also possible. To delete a character, do the following. To delete the character, do the following. Position the insertion point to the left of the character to be deleted. Where do you want to delete? From that place you have to place the insertion point on the left side of the character. Now you can press the delete key. For using backspace, you have to place the insertion point right side of the character. So now we can use backspace key to delete the character. So next one is, if you want to delete the entire document, you can select the entire document, go to edit, and here delete, clear will be there. Yes, like this we can do. And next one is undo command. Suppose if you want to get back the deleted letters or text, you can press Ctrl Z. You can press Ctrl Z, or you can use edit menu. From the edit menu you can give undo. So after giving the undo option, the deleted text portion will be get back on the document area. So copying and moving text, you know very well. So copying is nothing but making a copy of the text. Moving is nothing but it is making copy of the same text, but it will not in the source place. It will be in the destination place alone. While moving the text from one place to another place, the moving text will be contained in the target place only, in the destination place only. It will not be in the source place. See here, I'm going to copy the text. For copy the text, first you have to select the text which one has to be copied, and go to edit. First give copy, or you can press Ctrl C button. So next one, where do you want to copy the text? You have to place the insertion point in that place, in that particular place. You can give Ctrl V, or you can give paste here. Yes, so while copying the text from one place to another place, both the places have the same text, but while moving the text from one place to another place within the document, it will not be in the source place, which means the source place does not contain the text. Instead of that, the target place, the destination place only contain the text. For moving the text, you can go here, press cut, or select the cut option, or you can press Ctrl plus X shortcut key. See here, I want to move the text here itself. See, the source place does not contain the text, the destination place alone contain the text. This is how we can copy and move the text from one place to another place with the help of a shortcut key and the options from menu bar. So next one is text block. So text block is nothing but it is a block which may contain text. If we can type the text within the text block, or we can import the text within the text block. We can create the text blocks into two ways. One is click or drag the text tool on the page or pasteboard and then type. Second way is click a loaded icon in an empty column or page. Now we are going to create a text block. So to create a text block, we have to click and drag the text icon on the page or pasteboard and then type here. See here, this is the text icon. After selecting the text icon, I-beam will be displayed on the screen. You just drag the text tool. Yes, insertion point will be here. Here we can type anything, and to change this as a text block, just you have to select the pointer tool to change the text into a text block. See, after here you have to select the text. After selecting the text, a small two lines will be there, and these dark shades are used to resize the text block like this, and these two are known as window shades. These two known as handles. The handles are known as window shades. With the help of window shades, we can resize the block, and we can uh, moving a text block from one place to another place within the document area. And to move this, you have to place the cursor within the text block anywhere. You can move like this the text block from the pasteboard to the document area. So if you want to change as a text icon, again you have to press the text icon, again you have to press or select the text icon from the tool box. So if you want to change the font size, that is also possible. Yes, like this. So here I am going to type Golden Gates Metric Higher Secondary CHOL, comma VNKATESA Venkatesapuram, comma Perambalur. And after typing the text, if you want to convert the text as a text block, you have to select the pointer tool. After selecting the pointer tool, nothing will be there on the, the insertion point will be discriminate from the or hidden from the hide from the document area, and afterwards you have to press the pointer tool inside the text. So this is what known as text block, and these two lines between these two lines text will be contained. So these two lines have dark square shades on both ends. With the dark square shapes, with the help of the dark square shapes only, we are going to resize the block, and these two known as window shades, and these are also known as handles. these dark square shapes used to resize and move the column, I mean move the text block from one area, I mean from one place to another place within the document. So next one we are going to move the text block. So if you want to move the text block from one place to another place within the document area, just place the holder inside the text block anywhere you can, and afterwards you have to drag and drop the text block where you want move from one place to another place. This is how we can move the text block from one place to another place. So next one is resize the text block. First you have to resize the text block, we have to select the pointer tool. Pointer tool has been selected already. So you just see here, you have to move the cursor to the bottom side or top square shade, I mean dark square box. So afterwards you have to drag and drop the text block. After doing this one, the bottom handle contains a small red triangle shape. So what it indicates to the user, if the bottom handle contains small triangle shape, still it contains some text. It indicates still it contains some text. This is how we can resize the block. So see here, to resize the block again you have to do like this. If the bottom handle doesn't contain the small triangle shape, it doesn't have any letter still. So next one we are going to see splitting the single block into two. So to splitting the single block into two, we have to do like this. So see here, place the cursor into the dark square shape and drag and drop the dark square shape upwards. After doing this one, the bottom handle of the text block contain a small triangle shape. Just click once on the dark, red triangle shape. Afterwards a loaded text icon, this is what known as loaded text icon. Loaded text icon will be appear on the document area. So just click the loaded text icon where you want to split the text block as a second one. Yes, so now I have splitted the single text block into two. So this is the continuation of the first text block. How we can identify this is one is continuation, the second one is continuation of the first one. The second, the splitted text block contain plus symbol on the top handles. So with the help of the plus symbol on the top handle, we can identify this one is splitted block from the first one. Next one we are going to see joining the splitted blocks, rejoin the splitted blocks. To rejoin the splitted blocks, place the cursor on the bottom handle on the second splitted block, So here click the handle or drag and drag the handle, bottom handle to upward. It contains a small triangle, red triangle shape, and go to the first text block and see here it contains plus symbol, the bottom handle contains plus symbol. Drag the bottom handle of the first text block downside. After drag the bottom handle of the first text block downside. So the second text block will rejoin to the first text block. See here, Perambulur is in second text block. Still now it doesn't add, it doesn't rejoin into the first text block. So with the help of the small plus symbol of the bottom handle, we can identify still the second block, the second text block is not added or not rejoined to the first text block. So to do that, we have to do again like this. Afterwards, both the splitted blocks will be rejoined into one. Next one is placing the text, which means importing the text. To import the text, go to file, to insert text from other softwares like MS Word, we have to go there to file and place. From place, we have to select. For that, listen, I am going to create Word document. In Word document, I am going to give, with the help of rand function, rand function, I have created. So I am going to save this one to import this text into the Adobe PageMaker. So I am going to give a name called place. In desktop, I am going to save this file as a 97 to 2000 document. So we just close it. After closing this one, go here to import the text from other software. Go to file menu. File menu contains place option. Select the place option and here select desktop and place. Yes, after giving this one, loaded icon will be displayed on the screen. Loaded text icon will be displayed on the screen. You just place the loaded text icon where you want to place the text from other software. You just click here. After clicking, the loaded, the letters have been loaded or imported from other softwares. To resize the text block, you just place the cursor into the bottom, right side of the dark square shape. Just do like this. After doing like this, the text box will be resized. So next one, automatic text flow. So position the loaded text icon at the correct of the area where you want to place the text. You have to position the text loader icon where you want to place the text correctly. After this one, hold down the mouse button and drag to define the text block. Release the mouse button. So again I am going to do the same thing. Place option. So to do this one, just go here, place, so hold on the mouse button and drag and to define the text block, release the mouse button. So yes, we have to do like this. So text flows into the defined area. Within the defined area, the text will be flowed. If there is more text than fits in the text block, you defined a red triangle appears on the bottom window shade handle. If there is more than more text within the defined area, a small red triangle will be here. See here, if it is like this, still it contains more text. So to resize it, we can do like this. Similarly, if you want to place a text in a page, position the loaded text icon at the top of the page and click. Text flows into the page. If there is more text than fit into the page, if there is more text to fit in this page, a red triangle appears on the bottom window shade. And to do this, click once on this and loaded text icon reappears. So after doing like this, go layout. In layout, insert pages will be there, and you have to select the insert page in the menu bar. Place the loaded text icon. Insert as a second one. So this is how we can give next page. After doing like this, you can get the second page of your document. Or to manual flow, automatic text flow, and go here, select place, and here give insert page, and within the page, yes, we can do like this to flow the text by manual within the second page itself. So next one is automatic text flow. Before importing the text, first select the layout auto flow, and if you want to do the text flow by automatic, before going to import the text, you have to go to layout, and within layout you have to give auto flow. After giving auto flow, then you should import the text, and for that you have to go place, and now to do, after giving the auto flow, the symbol will be changed from loaded text icon to squiggly arrow, and because of giving auto flow, the symbol has been changes from loaded text icon to squiggly arrow. Now we can do like this. After pressing the mouse button, the text flows automatically into the document area. And next one, understanding the story. A PageMaker story is similar to a newspaper article. The PageMaker story, which is very similar to newspaper article, the front page of a newspaper, how The front page of a newspaper may contain several independent articles, some of which continue on the other pages. Have you ever read a newspaper? The first page of the newspaper contains, to see or to read this article briefly, you have to go to the particular page. Like this, it contains the link for the article. Like this, PageMaker, in PageMaker contains several stories may appear on the same publications page and continue elsewhere in the publication. So threading the text block. Now we are going to see threading the text block. All text in PageMaker resides inside contains called text blocks. So what are the text contents inside the text? That should be known as text block. A text block can be connected to other text blocks so that the text in one text block can flow into another text block. So we can connect many text blocks into single one. So we can flow text from one block to another block. Text blocks that are connected in this way are threaded. If you are connecting or if you are flowing a text from one block to another block, that should be known as threaded. The process of connecting text among the text blocks is called as threading text. The process is known as threaded. If you are doing the process, that should be known as threading text. So text that flows through one or more threaded blocks is called story. So here what is story? It is nothing. If you are flowing the text one or more threaded blocks, that is called as story. So here how we can identify the threaded text block? After splitting the, it is just like a splitting and rejoining the blocks. So after doing the process, the threaded text block contain a plus symbol on the bottom handles. With the help of the plus symbol, we can identify easily, that is known as threaded text block. So now I am going to delete the block. Next one, we are going to see examples for threaded text. Method 1, first you have to do or create a block, text block. Here I am going to create a text block. Golden gates, matriculation, higher secondary school, Venkatesapuram, Perambalur. So now I am going to place another a text block from another software. So now here I am going to change the size of the icon, and 2 is there. Instead of that I am going to change size of the icon as 30. So here I am going to thread the block. If you wish to unthread the pointer tool, with the pointer tool you just go edit and cut option. After doing this one, now click paste option. And this is the first method. And second method, select the block that you want to unthread with the pointer tool, then choose the text tool and select all text in the text block. So select all the text. Now go to edit and give cut. And next, now click the insertion point within an existing threaded block. This is what known as existing threaded block. Now go to edit and give paste option. In the menu bar, the text will be added into the block. So first, to do the threading, we have to split the block into two. So now I am going to split the blocks into 3. So again, yes, I have splitted. So I have splitted the single block into 3. Now see here, the last block top handle contains the plus symbol. So with the help of this plus symbol, I can identify this is the threaded text block from the old one. So next one, it is also contain the center threaded or splitted block contain plus symbol on both handles, which means it has to be rejoin or threaded or unthread to the top text block, and it may contain another text block into it. That is what it indicates. And I have threaded this one. To unthread the process, first we have to select the block which one you want to thread with the help of the pointer tool. First you have to select the threaded block, and afterwards go to edit and give cut, and now the block may disappear. After doing edit cut, the block may disappear. Now you can select the second one, second block, and here just go here, give paste. Now the block will reappear in the same position, but it is now an unthreaded block. Again it is placed in the same place, but now it is unthreaded block. See here, there is no plus symbol on the top window shades. And next one is second method, and for doing second method I am going to select the second splitted block because it is a splitted block from the first one. So by the help of plus symbol I come to know it is threaded block from the old one. and without the help of pointer tool, choose the text block and select the text from the text block which one you want to unthread. Now go to edit and press cut, and again select a place from the existing text board document area, again go to edit and again give paste. Now again select the pointer tool. Now it is also changed as a unthreaded one. See here, it doesn't contain any plus symbol. So this is what unthreaded block from old one. And next one is placing a text in a frame tool, and next we are going to see how to place the frame tool or how to draw the frame tool with the help of toolbox. So many frame tools are there. First one, rectangle. So to draw a rectangle, you just see here, and this is rounded corners. These are all rounded corners, and if you want to draw a rectangle with rounded corners, that is possible. You can do like this, and with the help of polygon tool, suppose if you are clicking right mouse button, or if you clicking double time, if you clicked double time on that particular icon of toolbox, a small dialog box will be appeared on the screen. From that you can select multiple options. See here, these are all for drawing line with multiple options. And next one, frame tool of rectangular for graphics, text and graphics. So inside the inside the triangle we can type the letters, or we can import the text from other softwares. So go here, file, and give place and select any document, MS Word document from your destination place. You just give like this, and afterwards resize the block, text block within the shape. Like this we can draw a shape, and we can place the, or we can import the text into the shape. Next one is linking frames containing text, and we can link the frames. A single frame may not large enough, so it is a single frame, it is not enough to contain all the informations or all the story. For that I'm going to create a second, I'm going to create a second frame, and I'm going to create a link among the frames to contain the large information. So see here, so now the single frame is not enough to contain all the information because it has a small red triangle. So still it contains some letters, some text or some lines. For that I'm going to create a new frame, and after creating the new frame I'm going to give a link to the frames. So draw a second frame. The next one I'm going to draw a second frame. Yes, I have drawn the second frame, and now select the first frame with the help of pointer tool. Yeah, I have selected. Still the red triangle is there, so it indicates it has some letters, and click on the red triangle and loaded text icon will be appeared on the screen. You just go to the second frame. Now we can flow the text into the second frame. PageMaker flows the text into the second frame now. So again I'm going to create the same thing, the same process I'm going to. Yes, now the information has been again some informations are not loaded into the second frame. For that again I'm going to draw the frame. Again I'm going to give the link between the frames. So see here, select the pointer tool, again press the red triangle, loaded icon will be appear on the screen. Just go to the third frame. Yes, now all the information has been loaded into the frames. This is how we can give links to the frame. Next one is converting a text in a text block to a frame. So how to convert a text within a text block as a text frame, and for that draw the frame from the toolbox. Now I am going to draw the frame. After drawing the frame we have to do the steps. We have to do the following steps. Select the text block that you want to insert into the frame. So I would like to select this block to insert into this block, insert into the frame. So next one, click the frame with shift key and select the frame. And the destination frame has to be select with shift key. Now both the frames has been selected, and now go to elements, go to elements menu bar. From the elements menu bar, frame option will be there. With the help of frame and attach content will be here. Like this we can so go elements, from elements frame will be there. So attach content is hidden because it is a free version, so that I didn't subscribe this one, so that it shows like this. After doing attach frame content, now the text will be, this text will be appears to this frame, text frame. So next one is separating text frame, separating the text from the text frame. So now I am going to separating the text from the text frame. So to do this, click the frame with the pointer tool. First we have to select the frame which text has been separated from the frame. So afterwards go to element, from element go to frame, and here delete content will be there. So it is also hidden, or go to element, now go frame. So again it is what, invisible, because of the free version it doesn't visibilize for you. So after doing like this, the content has been deleted from the frame, and after deleting the frame, after deleting the contents, letters from the frame alone appeared on the screen. Next one is saving the document. To save the document, yes, we can press, or we can click this icon, or we can go here, we can give save, or we can press Ctrl S. After giving these icons, or after giving these options, a small dialog box will be appear, pop-up dialog box will be appear on the screen, and default it has Untitled 1. So afterwards we have to give name here, and from here we can select the destination place where we have to save this file as a PageMaker file. And next one is saving a document with a new name in a different location. And now after saving the document, now see here, I have saved this document as rk.pmd. Now I have to save this saved document with a different name in different location. For that I have to go file and press save as. Afterwards again select different place. See here, downloads I can give rk1 or rk1 dot, yes, like this. Again save this already saved file with a different name in a different location. And next one is closing a document. And to close document we can use a shortcut key Control W, or we can go file layout, file menu. From the file menu I can select close command. See here, close is invisible because the document area has been closed already. And if you give exit, the Adobe PageMaker will be closed. The entire Adobe PageMaker window will be closed from your computer. For save as, shortcut key is Shift plus Control plus S. And next one is we are going to see opening an existing document. To opening an existing document with the help of Adobe PageMaker, we have to go file menu. From the file menu, open option will be there, or else we can use, see here, file menu, open option will be there. Open option will be there. With the help of open option, see here, I am going to revert my old, existing saved document. Yes, like this I can open the existing saved document, or else we can use this icon open to open an existing document, or we can go file menu. From the file menu, option open will be there, or we can use shortcut key control plus O. These are all the methods to open an existing document. Next one, moving around the document. So we can move the text block or text within the document from anywhere within the document. So for that, lot of keys we have to use within the keyboard. So see here, this is moving the insertion point anywhere in the document. So to move the insertion point, this is what known as insertion point, 36 size. So to move the insertion point anywhere in the document, to move one character, for example TEH, like this I have typed. So to move the insertion point one move right side, we have to press right arrow button. So like this, to move one character left, we have to use, or we have to press the left arrow button in the keyboard. Suppose if the document contains more than one line, like this, to move one word, see here, this entire characters considered as a one word. To move one word, we have to use control as well as function key and right arrow button. And for moving the insertion point around the document, they have given some keyboard movement keys. Refer your books. And students, I hope you all understand the concepts very well, and the remaining session will be discussed on next classes. Thank you all.